Hi everyone. Let's talk about CLAT current affairs and GK important study tips today. GK section requires a lot of preparation due to the vast syllabus. However, it is very much expected to answer 15 to 20 questions within 5 to 8 minutes of time limit. Therefore, it is saving a lot of time for the other sections to accomplish. To score well in this section, a complete study plan is required to be followed right from the beginning. Here, I am going to discuss about some plan for your GK and current affairs preparation in CLAT examination. As the syllabus is vast, you must analyze the old question papers to choke out some important topics from which questions are asked most of the time. Once the topics are recognized, you must collect the study notes prepared in a systematic and concise manner on those topics. Prepare your own notes, preferably in the infographic format, chart, flowchart, and other ways if possible for your easy remembrance. Keep revising the old topics you have already learned. After completion of each topic attempt, some questions asked from that topic, and in future keep adding some more information to that topic if available to increase your depth of knowing. Regularly follow any standard newspaper and news channel to keep update yourself about the current happenings all across the globe. Keep possible notes or paper cut some important happenings and keep reading those articles in a periodic way. Try to remember the events day-wise. After completion of the month, make a scrapbook of happenings of that month. For current affairs, specifically focus on events happened within last 1 year from the date of notification of the exam. For CLAT exam 2018, focus more on legal events took place in the country and gather as information as possible in the legal field's happenings. Some important aspects of this are landmark judgments of Supreme Court, High Courts, Executive and Councils, machinery of ministries, power allocated to various institutions and governmental posts, etc. As a part of static GK, prepare some important topics like capital and currency, important days, various awards and recent recipients of those awards, sports terminologies, 5 years planning, various commissions and their roles, etc. Some important materials for GK and current affairs are Lucen's Journal Knowledge, Pratiyogita Darpan Panorama Yearbook, Manorama, etc. You can also take advantage of current affairs series and GK elements offering by Smart Lessons. Start preparing for your CLAT exam 2018 with the help of our extensive CLAT exam coaching and check out the CLAT 2018 eligibility criteria to get into your favorite law university. All the best.